go. What is this? This feels like a mangrove snapper. Oh no, it's a pufferfish. Look at that. Alright, well this is the first one in a while. Look at that. Alright, first real fish of the day. A pufferfish. There he goes. Alright, well that's a good catch. That's something new, because all I've been catching today are catfish. I just had one on the hook not too long ago, and I'm over them. There we go. Guess it was good luck. Ah, just a little mangrove. See, dude. There we go. This is something. Feels different. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's just a much bigger mangrove snapper. Actually, yeah, it's just a mangrove snapper. Mangrove snapper. See, dude. There we go. Ooh. This is something. This is something different. This must be a sheep's head or a very big catfish. Come on. Whoa. Yep, catfish. Get out of here. We're on. Oh. What's this? Whoa, 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 that was a bluefish. Getting hits. There we go. Hey, there we are. I know that's a, these are Jack Rebels. The other one might have been bluefish, I'm not sure. And these are some of the stronger fish around here. But anyway, we're letting go. Alright, well we might just have some jacks. There we are. Just a little mangrove.